The day before an exam can be quite nerve-wracking. You might wonder, should I revise lots? Should I relax? What should I do? Rest assured, in this video, I'm going to go through my top 5 tips on what to do the day before an exam. My first point is probably something you've heard so much, but it is so important, and it's to get enough sleep. It can be very tempting to stay up late the night before an exam, but I'm telling you, this is counterproductive. Ensuring you get 7 or 8 hours of sleep is absolutely crucial. A study done of over 400,000 people has shown that 7 to 8 hours of sleep is associated with the highest cognitive performance. For every hour slept below and above this has shown a significant decrease in cognitive ability. Surely you want to maximize your cognitive performance before an exam, so making sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep is a must. The day before an exam, before you get your lovely 7 to 8 hours of sleep, it can be useful to go through any information of topics that maybe you're not so comfortable with. I'm assuming you've been working hard and of course watching my videos, so you've been using the most effective study methods like active recall and spaced repetition, so there should be no need for you to cram the day before your exam. I would advise doing some light work over some of the more challenging topics, but don't revise too much and psych yourself out before the big exam. My next tip is so simple, but it can help so much. It's literally to just plan your exam day. First of all, pack your pencil case. Make sure your pens have ink, your pencils have sharpened, and you've got everything you need for the exam. Plan your journey to wherever you're sitting your exam. Plan what time you want to get to the exam venue, and set yourself some time just in case you're late for whatever reason. This won't take you long, but it will save you a lot of last minute panic and unnecessary stress that you really don't need the day of your exam. My next tip is probably my top tip, and it's simply to just relax. Once you've done a little bit of light revision, just spend time doing things you enjoy and just chill out. Give your mind some time to recharge. You spent a lot of time working hard for this exam, so give yourself some time to just do whatever you like and get your mind off your exam. My fifth and final tip is to avoid talking to people about the exam. The worst thing that can happen is when you hear someone talk about something that may or may not come up in the exam that you might not be familiar with, and this can really send you into a state of panic. Trust your preparation and stay away from these sorts of discussions to avoid overwhelming yourself and panicking about ifs and maybes. To sum up, the last thing I want to say is to just be positive. It has been scientifically proven that having a positive mindset is directly correlated with exam success. Having that mindset that you're well prepared and have done the best you can to prepare for this exam is so important and can really be the make or break between that A and the A star. I wish you the best of luck, and you're going to smash your exams. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos to help you succeed in your studies.